from Goa, being truly amazed, but because of his RSS background and because of the pressure of Narendra Modi ji and Amit Shah ji, I think he's bending to BJP rather than bending towards the constitution and bending before the people of Tamil Nadu. This is not correct. Governor has no option of asking them to prove the majority at Raj Bhavan or in his office or is in kitchen or is in dining hall or is in garden. The constitution is very clear. The mandate, whatever is given by the people of Tamil Nadu, has to be honored by the governor. The floor of the assembly is the place designated by the constitution to prove the majority. Why you have to prove majority before the governor? During the hung assembly, the mandate is very clear to the governor, either through the Sarkaria Commission or through the various rulings of the Supreme Courts, that in case of hung assembly, the single largest party should be invited, provided they make a claim to form the government. The governor should first invite Vijay in case of this situation, since it's a hung assembly, and Vijay's party TVK got a mandate of the people being a single largest party. So governor has no option. Governor has no option than to invite Mr. Vijay to swear in as the chief minister, and should give him time. Whatever he feels, should give him time to prove the majority. If Vijay fails, then he can invite the pre-poll alliance parties. Still they fail, they can invite the post-poll alliance. This is a clear mandated guidelines which is very clear, which is before that. Now in 2017 in Goa as well as Manipur, the BJP and BJP's governor has done the same thing. Despite we were in the single largest party, they have invited the other political parties, especially the BJP, to form the government, and subsequently we went to Supreme Court. Supreme Court said you have not approached the governor asking to invite them for the form the government. So since that was lacuna, in this case Vijay and his party has went to governor and staked the claim to form the government. He met them twice. Now governor is again inviting them. Governor is making time pass. He's just playing with the gallery, showing that he's now inviting Vijay, that which is not correct. So governor has to be very clear that he has to invite Vijay to form the government. BJP should not try to rule Tamil Nadu with one MLA. They have got only one MLA elected in Tamil Nadu by the people. Whereas Vijay got 108 MLAs. So will BJP want to rule Tamil Nadu discarding 108 MLAs and giving the power in the hand of one MLA through governor who is having a strong RSS background? This is not correct. People of Tamil Nadu will not accept this. There will be a big revolt if governor try to impose his rule and rule the state through backdoor. We also appeal all the secular parties, those who believe in secularism, those who want to prevent BJP or RSS rule in Tamil Nadu should come out and support the people's mandate. Public mandate is important. Public are supreme in the democracy.